Hi everyone and welcome to FlowWorks. Today we're going to review how to create an alarm or notification. Let's take a look. In the network map, when you log in, you're going to click on the Monitor tab and click on Alarm Configuration. You'll see this screen once it loads. You'll be able to review all your alarms and notifications that you previously set up. Or you can click to create a new notification or alarm up here, and you'll be taken to this screen. The alarm type we're going to set up here is actually going to be an alarm. It's not going to be a notification. The only difference between the two is if you check on the web action in the legend where your network map is, an alarm is a red icon and a notification is an orange icon. That's up to you on how you want to set that up, but an alarm is more urgent, so we're going to go with an alarm here. I've already created all the variables I need for this example. The name is a unique, it doesn't have to be unique, but it's something that sort of describes what we're creating. In this case, I'm creating a high-level alarm. Then we're going to select our site. Once we select our site, we'll then be able to see the applicable channels if we click on create a standard, alarm, or notification. Right now we're in expert mode. You should usually be prompted with the basic mode, which you'll see right here. You'll have drop-down menus. Again, once you select your site, you'll then see this screen. We've already filled in our values. This is where you can create conditions. The channels have populated based on the site we selected. In my example here, we're going to indicate our condition with a raw level channel greater than 25.25, and we're also going to do a raw velocity greater than or equal to 0. And in the third column, we're also going to do a surcharge level of greater than or equal to -2. Again, I already populated these values, but this is totally up to you. As soon as we hit save, this alarm will be created, and FlowWorks will constantly monitor your data for this site and these channels to see if they are within these thresholds or if they are going to trigger this alarm. Some other points to consider: the actions we want to take are very important. We can set on different actions which will notify us of this alarm. The web is very important. You can see that in your network map. You'll see the icons change color. We will also possibly want to send an email to ourselves. I've already filled in some emails here. You can separate emails with a comma, so feel free to do so. We can also get some text messaging to our phone numbers. We can have an American contact, Canadian contact, and so forth. We just hit the plus icon or minus icon to have that removed. We can also get an automated voice message sent as well. Okay, and the expert rule mode is really good because we can actually attach more than one site to this condition. So if we do click on that, we will then be greeted with a screen shown, and we will want to input our new condition in this screen. Usually it goes in the form of a site within brackets, dot channel, also within brackets. And so I've got an example here, quite a nice one. We've got site1.level is greater than 25.25 and so forth. It's very similar to the one we just previously looked at, where we use the standard mode, except in this case, we've got an OR condition, and we've got a whole new set of site variables here, but it's from a different site, site2 level, site2 velocity, and site2 surcharge. So if either of these two conditions are met, we will receive the actions shown here. Okay, I hope that makes sense. As always, guys, you can go to support.flowworks.com and obtain the documentation you need on how FlowWorks is processed and navigated. All right, thanks again, guys. Bye for now.